Okay, so this lesson was literally just designed to introduce you to the concept of the NEA, so it's not totally new in September. And as I said, this is the thing that we're going to be working on as soon as we hit the ground running back to school in September as normal. I'm really, really excited to work on the project with you. I think you guys are going to make some amazing music videos. And we always have fantastic results for the practical coursework every year. So I am really excited about this project with you, to work on it with you. In terms of this being our last lesson, I thought it would be a good idea to just give you some suggestions of things that you could be working on if you want to before September. I understand it's been a really, really tough couple of months, and a lot of us are very tired and exhausted, and you might not want to be thinking about school at all, which is fine. But I do think it's a good idea for something like this, which is creative. Um, to spend a bit more time just thinking, not doing anything maybe practically, but really just thinking about it so that you come with a really good idea in September and you're not going to sort of make a decision in that first week. So here's a couple of things I think you could do to prepare over the next few weeks. Um, Watch as many music videos as you can. I think if you're going to make a music video, you need to be really, really clear on conventions, what they use, what they do that's new and different. Watching really, really current music videos. I'm going to be doing that as well, making sure that we can be on top of like the current trends and what's happening at the moment, the sorts of videos that are shared on social media. Big one is deciding on your artist and song choice. If you can come into class in September and say, Madam, I'm going to be doing this artist, this is the song I'm going to be doing, I'm really excited about it, that will be such a lovely start. So just sort of, yeah, listening to some music, deciding on a good song, choosing one that you feel really, really passionate about. It has to be one you like, because if you're editing something, you have to listen to that song about 1,000 times. So choose a good one. Some more practical things you might want to do, you could come up with a narrative concept. So once you've chosen your song, you could think, okay, well, lyrically, does this suggest a story? Can I come up with a concept for a story? Is it a romance? Is it about friendship? Is it about family? Is it about love? Is it about isolation? What's a narrative that could go alongside this? Um, if you're really confident that, you could even start storyboarding. So storyboarding is literally drawing out your ideas. There's loads of examples online that you can look at. You've got your visual idea, and then you've got your notes there, just starting to think and plan out your key shots and how you're going to sort of make your video really interesting and unusual. You might even be up for doing a little bit of practice if you're out and about with your friends, when that becomes possible, or if you've got siblings or family members that you've got at home that could help you practice. You could practice doing a bit of filming, get a little bit more comfortable with the camera. If you've got any kind of smartphone, you can use that. Most of our projects are filmed on iPhones or iPads, so if you've got one of those, fantastic. Remember, if you are doing any filming, if you ever do want to use it, it has to be landscape. You cannot hold a phone or an iPad portrait style. You will not be able to use any of that footage. So if you do that, do remember landscape only. And then the last thing is, for your video, you need to have people to star in it. I don't know Beyonce personally. We're not going to be able to fly her in to be part of your video. So if you want to do a video of a Beyonce song, for instance, you have to be Beyonce, or you have to find someone to be the artist to play her. That could involve kind of lip syncing to camera, singing to camera. It could involve dancing, acting. You need confident people, and you need people that are going to perform in your video. That could be yourself, that's fine, but it might be worth getting people to sign up for this over the next few weeks. I hope that's clear. I hope you're excited about the project, and any questions, any ideas, please do let me know and show my homework, and I'll be more than happy to chat to you about that. Have a lovely summer, and I cannot wait to see you all in September face to face.